Don't struggle with money any longer. In this video, I'm going to show you the stages of financial independence that could help you make your dream of a secure, independent future come true. Find out how to use specific methods and financial tips to get started and make real progress on the path to financial security. Start your journey towards a stress-free life today. The desire for financial freedom is a common aspiration among many people. Just imagine having the ability to work only when you choose to, without any financial worries or fear of consequences. Imagine being able to retire earlier than planned and dedicate your time to the things you love. Financial freedom provides the opportunity to pursue your passions without financial constraints, as you have sufficient funds to cover your expenses with ease. On the screen, there are the stages I'll be talking about. But before I do that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new here. Now, without any further ado, to start, let us address the initial stage, financial dependence. If your expenses exceed your earnings or you receive financial support from others, such as parents, relatives, or friends, you can consider yourself in the dependent stage. This phase is common among students who still live with their parents, individuals who struggle to cover their living expenses, or anyone who relies on a third party for financial aid. Failure to plan for your financial future, such as retirement, may result in complete financial dependence later in life, usually on your children rather than your parents. However, once you secure a stable income source, you can exit this stage. The second stage is financial stability. In this phase, you can consider yourself financially stable when you're able to save a portion of your income every month. It involves establishing a solid financial foundation by accumulating savings that could provide a safety net in case of any unexpected expenses or changes in your life circumstances. To reach this stage, you should aim to consistently fulfill your financial obligations, pay off most of your consumer debt, and reduce your expenses. While you might still have some debts, such as mortgage or student loans, you should avoid incurring any new debts. The additional money you save during this stage can be used as an emergency fund or a financial reserve to protect you from any unexpected events such as unemployment, car repairs, or illness. To achieve financial stability, you need to have a financial cushion that can withstand these sudden expenses without affecting your overall lifestyle. Ideally, you should aim to accumulate savings that can cover at least 6 months of your living expenses. The goal of attaining financial stability is to have peace of mind and reduce your financial vulnerability. At this stage, you should start seeing money as a tool to achieve your dreams and aspirations, rather than just a safety net. The third stage is financial solvency. Solvency is the survival stage, and this is when your expenses are lower than your earnings. In this stage, you're capable of fulfilling your financial obligations like paying bills and having some but not much left over. However, in this stage, you are still vulnerable to any unforeseen events. It means that despite having a grip on your financial obligations, you don't have a financial buffer to withstand a financial shock, such as maybe a large car repair or a huge medical bill. In this stage, you're still trying to survive, but you can manage basic things on your own. If you're a student, your first step toward financial stability is to get a job that will allow you to make enough money so that you won't have to rely on your folks for necessities. If you're earning money but still struggling, reaching this stage may require getting a higher paying job, increasing your income somehow, or even reducing your expenses. So, as you regain control over your finances, you enter into financial solvency. To get here, you may have found full-time employment, or perhaps you found a better paying job to support your lifestyle. Most of the time, the transition from dependency to solvency involves cutting back on perks or extravagances. It's always important to recognize the achievement you've made regardless of how you got to this stage. The fourth stage is debt freedom. If you have debt, you'll probably want to get rid of it. Not all debt is created equal. However, you'll need to sit down and look at your debts and make a plan to dump the debt that's not getting you closer to financial independence. That definitely means getting rid of any high interest rate debt. It certainly means clearing your name from any old, unpaid debts. It probably means dumping any consumer debt tied to depreciating assets. And it likely means having the plan to clear the debt on any productive business or investment assets. Being debt-free means you can enjoy greater freedom and independence in your life. And that's the whole point, isn't it? At this stage, you've achieved a level of financial stability that allows you to start building an emergency fund. This involves working on paying off investment debts, student loans, mortgages, or car loans. If you handle this stage correctly, you'll have enough resources to thrive, rather than just getting by day to day. You'll have a financial cushion for emergencies, and you'll be almost debt-free. Money has more value than simply being a safety net. It can help you create a more comfortable life. Furthermore, you can start using your money to invest. Now let's look at the next stage. Financial reliability. This stage primarily consists of seeing the importance of a solid investment. If you've regularly been putting money away between stages 2 and 4, you'll have invested in solid assets that can provide short, medium, or long-term returns. Therefore, you should be able to reap the benefits of your investments. If your investment income is sufficient to meet your essential primary living costs, you have achieved this stage. However, this doesn't mean that you can now resign from your job. It would be best if you still worked more to cover your expenditures. The sixth stage is financial freedom. At this stage, your investment income should be enough to cover your living expenses as well as provide extra funds for your future. You might even be in a position to quit your job and pursue your passions without worrying about money. This stage can vary depending on whether your savings only cover your basic needs or if they allow for a more comfortable lifestyle. There is no specific amount that determines financial freedom as it varies based on individual lifestyle. The ultimate goal for most people is financial independence, where investment income can cover basic needs and some luxuries, and your lifestyle is not dependent on a paycheck. You have the freedom to stop working entirely if you wish. At this stage, you can start thinking about goals beyond your current lifestyle, such as travel or big purchases. It is important to define these goals and ensure they can be achieved without relying on your investment income. At this point, you have achieved true financial freedom and independence in every sense of the word. The next stage is financially secure. Financial security is the stage where you have enough financial assets to cover all your expenses, emergencies, and retirement without the worry of running out of money. Being financially secure entails no consumer debt and consistently saving for future needs while meeting all monthly financial obligations. Building a solid investment pool is crucial in achieving financial security, along with strategic saving for different goals such as emergency funds, retirement, investments, and personal desires. To speed up your progress, it's essential to focus on ways to earn more, such as pursuing a higher-paying job or starting a side business. As you move from the financial dependence stage to the thriving stage, your income detaches from your lifestyle, and your investments support your expenses instead of your paycheck. Financial security is reached when your investment income can cover your basic expenses. The last stage is financial abundance. Believe it or not, this is an actual financial stage, and it carries a relatively significant burden with it. Because your accumulated wealth surpasses your lifestyle needs, you now have to decide how to properly manage the surplus. In this final stage, you have enough funds left over from your passive income to invest in other businesses, purchase more properties, give to charities, or even establish your own. Financial abundance gives you the freedom you have always wanted without worrying about your income taking a hit. At every stage of the financial independence process, it's important to have trusted advisors that can help you create a strategy for leaping into the next financial stage of your life. While financial freedom may seem like a goal, it is in fact a journey. Being aware of the stage you are at in this journey is necessary to enable you to employ the appropriate strategies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our other videos and playlists for more great content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.